Okay, we have a research paper that's due, and I've been showing the students how to create a document. You could even handwrite it if you need to. But if you're on Google, you go into where it has the little dots here. And if you want to create a Google Doc, go into Docs. Okay. And then you would hit the plus button. And if you're using someone else's Chromebook, right away title it. I would first put your name so that you have your name in there. And if you could add the title. Okay? So when you're back on the document, I've been telling you that you need to, your font should be between 12 and 14. Okay, so here's where you can make it 12 or up to 14. Let's do 14. And your name should always be on the top right hand corner. So I told you to come over here. If you look at this one on the top, if I click it, I'm already there. It's the left side. This would be the middle when you do your title, and this would be the right hand side. So then you would just put your name, whatever your name is. You don't have to put a line there, but you just do that. And then you're going to hit return, and you notice it's still on the right hand side. So I want to go all the way back to the left. I'm going to hit return again, and then I'm going to go into the middle and put my title. Okay, and if you wanted to, I've told the kids you could highlight it if you want it bold. Okay, say you didn't like that and you want to take that away, you just highlight it again and hit the B for bold and it'll take it away. If you wanted to underline your title, you highlight it and then you'd hit U for underline. Okay, and then once you're done putting your title, hit return twice. I'm still in the middle because it's centered. I'm going to go back up to the top, and it's going to get you to the left-hand side. And I'm telling the students, you need to hit tab. Oops, we still have the underline on, so that's a good thing because I can show you. We're going to hit underline, so I don't want it, okay? So now it won't underline that. But you're going to hit tab, which spaces it 5 spaces automatically, so it'll indent, okay? Except I hit return. And here's where you would start your first paragraph, okay? Because you should have 3 to 5 paragraphs. So the first paragraph's your introduction. So you might say, my science fair project is how to make silly putty, right? Silly putty. Okay. There should also be 2 spaces after a period. So that's your first sentence. I told you it's 3 to 5 sentences per paragraph, so let's keep going with this paragraph. My science fair project is how to make silly putty. I researched a couple different websites and I researched a couple different websites. There are a couple different ways to make silly putty. I am doing my demonstration using the following materials. Okay? Okay, so materials. And you could say that you're using borax, warm water, glue, and food coloring. Okay. Now, this is supposed to be double spaced, so you can go back up to where it says couple right on the C, and you can hit return twice and see how it spaced it. And I'll go back to putty, hit it twice, and go back to warm, hit it twice, okay? All right, so that would be your first paragraph, your introduction. And that's how you can start off your paper, okay? And it should be saved automatically in your drive, but like I said, if you're using a different Chromebook, put your name in the title and save it that way so that you would go on that computer and you can pull up that document. You can also share with myself, and I gave you my email at school. All right, thank you.